Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVibes. Today I am going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 when it is stuck on a gray screen or frozen on the welcome back startup screen. Let us go ahead and jump right into the fixes. If you cannot get past this screen on your PlayStation 5, try completely shutting it down. Locate the power button on the front of the console and hold it down. You will hear one beep right away, and a few seconds later, you will hear a second beep. If holding the power button does not work, simply turn your PlayStation 5 around and unplug the power cord directly from the wall outlet. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes and then plug the power cable back into the wall socket. Your PlayStation 5 will now be completely turned off and there will be no lights showing on the console light bar. Next, we are going to boot the console into the safe mode menu. Take your controller and connect it directly to the front port of the PlayStation 5 using your USB cable. Locate the power button on the console and press and hold it down again. You will hear one initial beep, and about 5 seconds later, you will hear the second beep. Once you hear the second beep, release the power button. Press the PS button on your controller, and the controller light bar should turn solid teal. You can now navigate the safe mode menu using the directional pad on your controller. There are 3 main options in this menu that I want you to try. First, scroll down to option number 5, which is Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database to repair the system files on your PlayStation 5. The screen might say it takes a few hours, but in my experience, it only takes about 5 minutes. Once it finishes, it will restart your PlayStation 5 and it should boot up normally. You can also try going to Clear System Software Cache inside that same menu option. Clearing the cache is similar to turning off your console and leaving it unplugged for a few minutes. If rebuilding the database and clearing the cache does not fix it, go to option number 3, which is Update System Software. Select Update using Internet to fetch and install the latest system software. This gray screen issue seems to be a minor glitch within the PlayStation 5 operating system. Updating your system software should clear up the glitch and get your console running smoothly again. I hope one of these quick troubleshooting steps helped resolve your issue today. If this video helped you out, please drop a like on the video. Leave a comment down below to let us know if your PS5 is working again. Don't forget to subscribe to TechVibes for more helpful tech and gaming guides.